the Lincoln City homepage. I'm here at STEAM, which is Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Math. Taft High School Commons. Let's check it out.
Alright, back up a little bit.
Hey, plug it in, plug it in.
Because this will shock you if you get too close.
Oh, you do it from here. Ah, oh, great.
See it arcing?
Do you want to keep it? Do you want to take it with?
Cannon?
Yeah.
How does this work?
So this compressor, I have a regular on here, so we set it to usually, I don't know, for indoors 20 to 30, outdoors 40 psi is really the max. And so this valve, you close that, and then air hose goes on there.
There's nothing in it right now, right?
No,
we're safe?
Yeah, it's empty. But yeah, that's why I use that valve, because all the air, if you don't have the air hose on it, all the air comes out. So put the t-shirt in there, and then just crank her up 20 psi thereabouts, and then just flip her open so you launch the t-shirt.
That's awesome.